Hey there! Check out this portable travel footrest, crafted from 100% high-gloss ABS plastic that's built to last and proudly made in the USA. It supports up to 100 pounds and features an adjustable height, folding from just 1 inch to 5 inches when assembled for ultimate comfort. The surface area easily slides from 10 to 15 inches by 5 inches, giving you customizable support wherever you go. Its self-locking legs keep it stable during use and fully retract for easy storage, making it incredibly lightweight and compact. Plus, the granulated surface ensures your feet stay firmly in place. Whether you're traveling or just relaxing at home, this footrest offers the perfect combination of durability, convenience, and comfort. Give your feet the support they deserve with this smart, portable solution. Thank you for watching. Check the link in description to buy this product. Please like and subscribe.